So good morning, class 7 children. After completing chapter number 6 and discussing the back exercise, so let's continue with the assignments. So this assignment has been uploaded on ERP even children. You can check this assignment from there only. So let's discuss the answer of these questions. So kindly raise hand those who want to give the answer. First is, what is the role of water in sustaining life on the earth? Yes, Divyanshu Pratap Singh, you have raised hand.
Yes, ma'am. Water is one of the most common and useful substance in our life. It has a main role of existence of people, and it help us to live in the world.
Okay, very good. So water plays an important role in sustaining life on the earth. So all the activities are concerned, whether the internal or external activities, they are uh, taking place due to the presence of water. Number two, why is water called a unique substance? Kindly raise hand. Why water is known as a unique substance? So many substances are there. Why only water? Why only water is known as unique? Yes. Who will give the answer? Yes, Divyanshu.
Water is a unique substance because our 71% body is made up of water.
Yes.
70% part of the world is also made up of water,
Hmm.
and water can dissolve anything, and
Yes.
peoples and we all are drinking water, not drinking any other substance.
Okay,
And
very good. Children, this is a common question. Don't think like this, ki this question will be written somewhere. You can, water is a unique substance as well as it is a unique solvent because it can dissolve many of the things, countless things in it. And moreover, you know, our earth appears blue because maximum of the water, it is covered with 71% of water. So few points you can give your own. Next is number 3. How is water table maintained below the earth? I want the answers from, okay, Nishchay has raised hand. First we have done,
yes, ma'am.
second, third. Two things you have to tell. How is water table maintained below the earth and what disturbs the water table?
Yes, ma'am. Water table is maintained below the earth by recharging. When the rain falls, the water recharges through the process of it's the water recharges through the process of infiltration and maintains the water table. The scanty rainfall uh, disturbs the water table as lack of rainfall could be the reason of not.
Recharging the groundwater. So means these are the factors which are disturbing the water table. Very good, Nishchay. At least you have taken an initiative. Divyashu Pratap Singh, you want to say something about this question again? Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. When raining happens, the groundwater will recharge, or we can say refill, and it can maintain the water table. But when the depletion of water table happens, means like increase in population, industries, deforestation, agriculture activities, or scanty rainfall, that disturbs the water table.
Very good, very good. So children, it's very good answer that what disturbs the water table, all the activities, agriculture activities, wells, tube wells, when they are using the water, groundwater for their purpose, agriculture purposes, for industrialization, then that disturbs. And even the scanty rainfall, when the rainfall is not appropriate in appropriate amount, that also disturbs the water table. Good. Number 4, rest also can give the answers. Okay, next, Mahi. What is conservation of water? How can we conserve water? Yes, Mahi.
Ma'am, conservation of water means prevention of prevention and control and development of water resources.
Okay, simply we can say that to save the water.
Yes, ma'am.
Conserve means to save water. We want to save it for a future use. How can we conserve
Yes.
water? Is there any way?
Ma'am, we can. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can conserve water by prevention of pollution.
We can reduce the water pollution, or what are the another ways to reduce
Ma'am,
water?
can I give question fourth answer?
Yes, yes.
First, what is the conversation of water?
Conservation.
Conversation, the process in which we conserve and protect the water and don't waste the water is called conversation. How can we conserve water? So
Yes,
there are
conserve
few
hai. Conserve word hai.
conserve
Conversation.
conservation. How can we conserve water? So there are few ways to conserve water. First, we don't have to pollute water. Second, we have to use narrow tubulings like the process drip irrigation to conserve water.
Okay, very good. Different ways are there, children. So you can conserve water in the different ways. Next question number 5. What do you mean by rainwater harvesting? So this question we have done. Now we are on question number 5. Yes, Vansh Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Then the rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. So, ma'am, this is referred as the rainwater harvesting.
Okay. So rainwater harvesting means we need to conserve the rainwater for future use. Okay. So that is a rainwater harvesting. Next is, let's read question number 6. Give 2 advantages of rainwater harvesting. Give any 2 advantages. What is the use of using rainwater harvesting? Yes, Karnika, you can. Monday? Why Monday? No. Okay, tell me, beta, what is the use of, or what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? You know, first advantage of rainwater harvesting is this groundwater get recharged. We store the rainwater and the groundwater is recharged. And second, we can say that we are not wasting the water. We are utilizing the
Ma'am,
rainwater.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the groundwater is recharging and refilled, and
Yes.
the water shortage is overcoming.
Yes, water shortage is overcome and we are not wasting. One thing, we are helping to the nature, that by the method of rainwater harvesting, what we are doing, we are saving water. Okay, number 7. Why does Earth appears blue from space? Malvika.
Mama, Earths appear blue from space because the 71% of our Earth is covered with water.
Okay, good. So children, you have seen even in the globe, it appears to be of blue color. Number 8, 7 we have done. Why is water management necessary? Why we are again and again saying that we need to conserve water? Yes, Nishchay. Vedika, you won't be giving any of the answer? Why we are saying that we need to manage?
Can I give the answer, Pratap Singh?
Other than Divyanshu, Nishchay, you want to give?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell beta.
Water management is necessary to prevent wastage of precious water. If we would not manage water, then it could be wasted. And
Manage.
Ma'am,
How we need to manage the water? Why is we are saying that why water? Because children, if we want be managing the water now, so there will be no water in few coming years. There will be a shortage of water.
Because water management is necessary, because if we don't manage the water and conserve water now, so the water problems will be in higher in future.
Yes, very good. So water problem are going to be rise, and water problem is there will be no water for the consumption, and if there will be no water, how can we expect the life on the earth? Okay, so there will be no life. So these were the short questions we have done. So you can write the answers according to the 2 marks or 3 marks. Next is 5 advantages of water harvesting. So children, already we have done the advantages of rainwater harvesting or water harvesting. Any can be there. Next is explain why despite good rain, we are not able to meet the demands of water of all the people in our country. Children, you know, there is climatic changes. Due to the climatic changes, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
going to be happen? There is a disturbance in the nature. Imbalance in the nature is there. Due to this imbalance in nature, there is a scanty rainfall. And if the scanty rainfall is there, even the farmers are not able to meet with the requirement of rain, because the farmer are totally dependent upon their rain for the agriculture purposes. So that is not able to fulfill, or the farmers are not happy. So this was your assignment. Now let's discuss another assignment.